In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the 5 things I absolutely love about the Galaxy A26 5G. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. So I've had this device for over a month now. And there have been some things that I really have enjoyed about this device. And we're going to be talking about those right now. And just starting off with the first one, of course, we have a Super AMOLED display on this device, 120 hertz, full HD, very beautiful display. I feel like the only thing that messes up this display has to be that teardrop notch and that big O chin at the bottom of this phone. But overall, this is a really impressive display. It's not the brightest display in the world at 1200 nits peak brightness, but this is very impressive for the price tag of $299 retail, and I actually got this for $219. So yeah, very impressed with this display. If you guys are watching YouTube videos, Netflix, all that type of stuff, this is definitely going to be a beautiful screen to view all of that on, and this kind of blows my noggin till this day that this is such a good display. That rhymed. That's right, I'm Can the Hat. Next thing I love about this phone has to be that this is a clean design. I absolutely love this design, and not just that, but we have IP67 water and dust resistance on this as well for that price tag. And there's actually devices out there that are cheaper than this that do not have that. So impressive that we have the IP67 water and dust resistance. Love to see it on here. And that design in general, I know the black doesn't do this phone justice, but the back design of this phone looks really, really clean. One thing I don't like, however, is just this the plastic sides. We have a glass back with plastic sides. It's really weird. It's kind of wigging me out, but overall, still like the design. Next thing that I really like about this device is going to be that we have Android 15 on this device, as you guys can see, and we're running Android 7.0 as well, and we're going to have 6 years of OS updates on here. So we're going to go all the way up to Android 21, which is something that still kind of blows my mind. Definitely a future-proof device right here. Samsung has always been on top of their stuff with those update policies, so that's definitely something that I really like to see in a phone. And it's definitely a great selling point for this device as well. Next up, and something that really surprised me about this phone, has to be the selfie camera on here. I will go as far as to say that this selfie camera is actually better than the Galaxy A56. I know it's weird to say, it's a $200 more phone, but the selfie camera on this device is so clean. Look at that, look at that. I'm going to be showing you some photos right now on the screen of me. And compared to the Galaxy A56, you get so much more color on the Galaxy A26 compared to the A56. And it's weird because the A26 is using the JN1 in-house sensor compared to the Sony IMX sensor that we see on the Galaxy A56. So this is something that has really impressed me for the price tag. The selfies are solid. The colors are there, very color accurate. As you guys can see, my beard isn't all washed out like on the Galaxy A56. My hair, same thing. The background looks great. And my skin tone looks good as well. It's not washing me out. I am tan. I'm a tan man. And I just feel like overall it's a much better depiction of what I'm actually seeing in real life. So yeah, I'd say the selfie camera is so solid on this device. It's better than the Galaxy A56. And the last thing I want to go ahead and thank Samsung for, and you know, obviously something I really like about this device has to be that the micro SD card slot on this device is still here. We have a micro SD card slot, baby. On the Galaxy A56, we did not have that. Obviously, they took it away, and I'm assuming that they're going to be doing eSIM just because they took that out just this year. Yeah, so they're probably going to be doing eSIM later on. The A26 may follow suit in the next 2 years, but as of right now, it looks like we're still safe, and we can go up to a terabyte of memory via micro SD card. So if you guys want to download ROMs or an emulator or maybe photos and videos and stuff like that, you are still going to have your SD card slot in here to go ahead and put your micro SD card in. So absolutely love it, and a lot more people out there love it as well. So those were the 5 things I absolutely love about the Galaxy A26. Of course, those were some buying points. And I do have 5 things I dislike about this phone coming out as well, so definitely go ahead and check that out. But those were the 5 things I loved about the Galaxy A26. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.